I guess the star wheel makes it adjustable at least. That's some Mickey Mouse stuff right there, buddy. Not a bad car altogether. It's had some floor work, it's had rear quarters, like all of them. Whatever, it's a complete general. And then a legit general at that. Alright, so I took all the Mickey Mouse stuff off the bottom. And I got this positioned where it sweeps rather nice. It's got good play. I think that's going to work. And I have this shifter locked down to the floor with 4 self-tapping screws. If we decide we want to move it to the right a little bit more, we can do that, but I think it's in a pretty good position. So I think we're going to leave it right there. If the customer wants to modify it any before we weld it in, then we can make that choice then. So now it's time to go under the car and build a new linkage system. Alright. So we're going to use the mounting boss. I'm going to make an aluminum trial piece because it's quicker to work. Make it about 2 inches wide, about 5 inches long. See if we can get this guy to stabilize right about there. Probably right about there. Far enough away from that guy. And that's right dead center, so that's at 3.5 inches. That's at 4 inches. I like that. Nice even number. So I'll do a 1-inch flange. So that makes us 5 inches. Plus an inch pass. So I need a 6-inch by 2-inch piece of stock. Hey, I'm in luck. I got a 6 1/4. Almost 6 1/2. We'll try a piece of that. Let's go lop off a piece of this 2 inches wide. That's easy enough to do.
Real quick break from what Rich is working on. Something you're not going to see in this video, and an eagle-eye observer that's been paying attention to our channel for the last while has seen that General Lee hanging around here. We had a ton of wiring fixes to do on that car because it was not good. And wiring fixes are not really exciting to show you on video, so you're not gonna see that. But that's a big portion of what that car was sitting here for. It's not just this whole shifter situation. However, all the wiring fixes are done. Car is now mobile again. Let's get back to Rich working.
Alright, so I made a simple bracket. We can see how this works out for us. Boy, Eco Plumber's sure is laying down the marketing. Oh. I'm going to guess the nuts were only welded to this bracket. You just ran the bolts in from the other side. But this will give me a nice positive mounting point. Tighten that guy down and then we can make us a linkage. Oh, come right at me. the creative use of a parking brake self-adjuster. I think we might be able to do something a little more fancy than that. Let's see what we can come up with. Or we just use it. Let's make a link. Well, my aluminum piece is rigid enough that it seems the shifter is fine. I used small ball heims and a piece of threaded rod. Basically made my linkage. And it's nutted and bolted into place so it's all nice and rigid, no slop. I think it's going to work just fine. Let's pull this thing out, take it on a test drive, go jump some bridges, rivers and stuff. I grew up watching this show. Generally's got a place in my heart. Never thought I'd end up being a tutor. That's pretty cool. I got to work on one of my childhood favorites. This car is off to a new owner, and Lord knows what'll happen to it from here, but I guess he's gonna do something cool with this car. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. See you on the next one. Have a great day.